All right, so now it is time to sew our block together. Now I'm going to show you how I pin things together to make sure that everything comes together just perfectly in the end. I'm going to start by putting my right sides together. It's really easy to see when we press these open where those seam lines are. Ideally, we want them to be right on top of each other. I'm going to pin in what's going to be the right side of that seam allowance. What I'm going to do when I start sewing is I'm going to put this under my machine. I stitch a little bit into here. Only then will I remove the pin and sew the rest of the way. I press these seams open as well. So now it's time to join our block halves. So we're just going to flip these guys right sides together, and I'm just going to go through that same process. All right, so now we're ready to start sewing. We're going to get a couple stitches in, then pull this, and then we'll sew all the way until our needle is down in the first half of this seam allowance to pull this. Get all the way to the bottom, get our needle secured, and then pull the final pin. Now we're able to press this open again. Now this is my secret to a really flat block. It turns water or liquid into a light aerosol mist so you don't get those water droplets. Look at all these points. I mean, they are just fantastic. So take your time, trim and pin, and wait to remove those pins until the last second, and you too will have points that look absolutely like this.